Hi children, before class I will explain about the equivalent fractions. How to write equivalent fraction, how to find the leaving any remainder or numerator in equivalent fraction. Both I already explained in before class. In this class we will discuss about improper fraction. We have to convert into mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are converted into improper fraction, and in the group of fractions we have to separate like and unlike fraction. In the group of fractions we will separate like and unlike fractions. First of all, like fraction. Already definition before I explain, one more time I am repeating. Like fraction. What is the like fraction? Means in the group of fraction, the fractions are having same denominator. Those type of fractions we will call like fractions. What is that? Same denominator. Fractions are having same denominator. Those type of fractions we will call like fractions. Unlike fractions means different numerator and different denominator. These are unlike fractions. Now we have to, in the group of fractions, we will separate the like and unlike fractions. Okay? Separating a like and unlike fractions. Separating of like and unlike fractions. I will add some group of fractions. 3 by 5, 4 by 2, 6 by 5, 3 by 8, 1 by 6, and 1 by 5, and 10 by 5, 8 by 7, and 17 by 5. See children, I wrote some fractional numbers on the board. First one is 3 by 5, 4 by 2, 6 by 5, 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 10 by 5, and 18 by 17, 17 by 5. In these fractional numbers, we have to separate what is the same denominator is there. That fractions you have to write one side, then different denominators are there in fractions, that is separate one. See here, 3 by 5, 4 by 2, next 6 by 5 is same because of same denominators are there. Next 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 10 by 5, here 18 by 7, here 17 by 5. See, in the group of fractions 3 by 5, 6 by 5, 1 by 5, 10 by 5, and 17 by 5. See, all the denominators are same. In this, all the denominators are same. In this, 4 by 2, 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 18 by 7. These are all different denominators and different numerators. First one, don't see it numerator, only denominator we have to see. All the denominators are equal, then we have to say this one is called like fractions. These are all like fractions. And second one it is what? Second one is a unlike fractions. This is the way. First one is like fraction, second one is unlike fractions. This is the way we have to separate the like and unlike fractions. We have to identify the like fractions. We have to do like this. Okay, children. Some few examples. You can write yourself. Group of fractions. Write yourself and separate it. Like and unlike fractions. You will get easily for the separating of like and unlike fractions. How many I am saying also? Just like that one idea. Then you can do yourself. You will get easily. Okay. This is the topic is like and unlike fractions. Separating of like and unlike fractions. Next topic is then what is the next topic? Improper fractions are converted into mixed fraction. Improper fractions are converted into mixed fraction. Okay, in these two type of fractions are there in the heading. First one is a improper fraction and second one is a mixed fraction. First, what is the improper fraction? What is the improper fraction? In the fractional number, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In the fractional number, numerator is bigger than the denominator. Those type of fractions we will call improper fraction. C should be compulsory. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Numerator should be compulsory, bigger than the denominator. This we will call is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. Next, what is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a fractional number is having one whole part. Fractional number is having one whole part. Those type of fractions we will call improper fractions. Mixed fraction. Sorry. Okay. Some one improper fraction example is 11 by 2. See, our numerator value is 11. Denominator is 2. So this is an improper fraction, 11 by 2. See, this 11 by 2, how to convert into mixed fraction? 11 by 2, how to convert into mixed fraction? See here, then go to division method. 11. 2 5s are 10. Then it will be 1. Leaving remainder is 1. Okay, 11 by 2, I divided into 2 table, 2 5s are 10, the leaving remainder is 1. So, improper fraction we did division, then later we have to convert into mixed fraction. So, it will be how to mix. This is a whole part, coefficient will go to whole part, remainder is a numerator, then divisor is a denominator place. See here, coefficient is a whole part, remainder is a numerator, then divisor is a denominator. This part we will say is a mixed fraction. This is the way we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, few more examples you can write it yourself. compulsory should numerator is bigger, then you can do division, you will get the mixed fraction. See, coefficient is whole part, denominator is remainder is numerator place, divisor is denominator place. This is the improper. Next one, mixed fraction is convert into improper fraction. How it will? Next one is mixed fraction is convert into improper. Mixed fraction is convert into improper. Mixed fraction, 1 integral part of 1 by 3. This one is a whole part, numerator and denominator. 1 integral part of 1 by 3. This is one mixed fraction. This mixed fraction is convert into improper fraction. How it will be seen? Improper fraction is equal whole part denominator into whole part plus numerator by denominator. See children, we are mixed fraction we are converting into improper fraction. Improper fraction is equal to denominator into whole part plus numerator by denominator. Denominator into whole part plus numerator by denominator. Denominator is a 3 into whole part. Whole part is equal to 1 plus numerator is a 1. Then denominator is 3. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 4 by 3. This is equal 4 by 3. This is the way we have to convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay children, today topics are separating of like fractions and improper fraction. We are converted into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction we are converted into improper fraction. Okay children, thank you.